Ever wondered what blockchain Beam is built on? I know, it might seem like a simple question with a straightforward answer. But trust me, the answer is far more interesting than you think. Let's dive in and uncover the fascinating world of Beam's blockchain. Beam's unique blockchain. Beam stands out from the crowd of cryptocurrencies due to its innovative approach to blockchain technology. While many cryptocurrencies are built on the Bitcoin or Ethereum blockchain, Beam takes a different route. It's powered by its own proprietary blockchain, designed specifically to address the limitations of existing platforms. Privacy and scalability. One of the key reasons Beam opted for its own blockchain is to prioritize privacy and scalability. Unlike public blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum, Beam's blockchain offers enhanced privacy features. This means that your transactions are more confidential, protecting your financial data from prying eyes. Additionally, Beam's blockchain is designed to handle a higher volume of transactions efficiently. This is crucial for ensuring that the network can keep up with demand and avoid congestion, which can lead to increased fees and slower transaction times. Technical aspects. Beam's blockchain is based on the Mimblewimble protocol. This protocol is known for its efficient use of storage space and its ability to conceal transaction details. It's a powerful tool that helps Beam achieve its privacy and scalability goals. Furthermore, Beam utilizes a proof-of-stake (POS) consensus mechanism. This means that instead of relying on energy-intensive mining, the network relies on the stake of its participants to secure the blockchain. POS is more environmentally friendly and can also lead to faster transaction times. The benefits of a custom blockchain. By developing its own blockchain, Beam has gained greater control over its technology. This allows the team to make updates and improvements as needed without relying on external factors. It also provides flexibility, enabling Beam to experiment with new features and innovations. So, to answer the question we posed at the beginning, Beam is built on its own custom blockchain. This blockchain is designed to offer enhanced privacy, scalability, and flexibility. By taking this approach, Beam has positioned itself as a unique and promising cryptocurrency in the market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.